In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw instant arrows in Affinity. By the end, you'll be able to place a clean arrow in seconds and remove the extra arrowhead when you only need one. First, start by clicking a shape. In Affinity, your shape tools live in the toolbar, and clicking any shape lets the app show the right options across the top. This is helpful because the control bar updates based on what you're working with, so beginning with a shape ensures you'll see the controls you need for the next part. Next, select the arrow shape. Open the shape flyout in the toolbar and choose arrow. Now, click and drag on your canvas to draw it. If you want a perfectly straight pointer, hold Shift while you drag to lock the angle. Don't worry about getting the size perfect right away. You can always resize from the handles or scale it later without losing quality because it's a vector. If you want a single-ended arrow, you'll often see that both ends have arrowheads by default. To delete the other end, we'll use the controls that manage arrowheads directly. Look toward the top of the interface in the context toolbar. You'll find controls for the start and end of the arrow. These determine what appears on the left and right tips of your line. Depending on your workspace, these may look like small drop-downs or icons that preview arrowhead styles. Click one of the arrow controls. Choose the side you don't want, either start or end, and open that drop-down. You'll see a list of different arrowhead styles. This is where you tell Affinity exactly what should sit on that end of the line. Finally, click None. Selecting None removes the arrowhead from that side, leaving you with a clean, single-ended arrow. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same control and pick a different head style, or add one back to the opposite end. A few quick tips as you work. If your arrow looks too thin or too thick, adjust the stroke width in the stroke settings to match the visual weight of your layout. Color and opacity can be changed from the color panel so your arrow fits your design. If the arrow points the wrong way, you can simply drag its end handle or swap which side has the head by toggling the start and end settings. And if you need precise alignment, turn on snapping so the arrow locks neatly to edges, centers, or guides. That's it. Click a shape, switch to the arrow shape, and use the top bar to remove the extra arrowhead by setting it to none. Simple, fast, and clean.